Good afternoon, Hideto. Welcome to the session.
Yes, it is my great honor to select me as eminent person. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and it is our pleasure to select you as the eminent participant, as your conduct was so good during the conference, and we really it was our pleasure to have you at the conference. So, Hideto, I would like to start the session with your introduction.
Yes.
Your introduction, please, about you, about your research, your background.
Okay. My name is Hideto Fujii. I'm a professor in transport studies and tourism studies at Meiji University, Tokyo, Japan, where I teach across a range of undergraduate and graduate modules. In 1995, I began a PhD at this university, Meiji University Graduate School, and was awarded my doctorate in 1999. So prior to the academia, I had work experience in Japanese travel agencies, about 4 years, yes. And my current research focus centers around transport and tourism in terms of horizontal and vertical aspects. More generally, the spatial, social, and temporal historical ones. Specific areas that I currently explored includes heritage railways to revitalize the local economy, and railway stations as cultural space to become the tourist attractions, such as the London St. Pancras station, and corporate culture in the aviation industry to enhance hospitality experiences. Particularly recently, I explored the Hawaiian Airlines in the American Airlines carrier. And finally, the cruise ships as theme park experiences, because cruise ships seems to be a theme park because they had a little facilities to spend an enjoyable day on the ships. 2 weeks ago, I participated in the meeting, ISA 6 London ICSSH, and I reported my articles. The research I had presented at the conference is to explore heritage tourism from a chronotopos way of thinking. The core concept of chronotopos lies in the intrinsic connectedness of temporal and spatial relationships in abstract formulation, meaning it is a way of seeing time in the spatial world. Particularly, as a case study, I focus on Hiroshima Electric Railway in Japan. And in terms of the chronotopos, this research reveals that Hiroshima Electric Railway as heritage tourism consists of the three elements: the atomic bomb trams, the atomic bomb dome, and railways. These three elements is composed of the tourism heritage. So I conclude that the former two, I mean the atomic bomb trams and the atomic bomb dome, function as tourist attractions in Hiroshima because they create the visual harmonization of the scenery in chronotopos. That is the essence of my report. Okay, that's all.
Thank you for your introduction. So, Hideto, what was your motivation during COVID that kept you going and to continue with the research that you were doing? What kept you going?
Yeah, it's a tough question. As I undertake comparative and historical research on heritage railways in the UK and Japan since 2 years ago, I have planned to travel to and from the United Kingdom to investigate heritage railways, because the UK is way ahead of Japan in when it comes to the institutionalization of heritage railways. However, the COVID-19 pandemic restricts my passage to the United Kingdom. So these overseas travel restrictions force me not only to switch from the UK to Japan in conducting the research field about heritage railways, but also to limit academic conferences to national ones held in the actual space, and to national or international ones via online is very important for me. So I motivate myself to conduct in-depth research by participating in online international conference. This is my motivations.
Okay. And how was your experience in attending an online conference rather than a physical one?
Yes. I have the opinion that the online conference provides a safe environment for me in preventing coronavirus infection. So, while the online conference requires me to pay attention to the time zone differences, it connects me with people around the world without using airlines and accommodations, etc. So saving time and cost, it's a merit for me. But on the other hand, the online conference deprives me of taking in the information through the 5 senses.
Yeah.
And and of experiencing the joys of travel. Because when I took part in the conferences, I have a chance to experience a lot of unknown or unique tourist attractions.
Yes.
So, but when I use the internet online Zoom meeting, I don't have that experiences. It's the demerit of online conference. Yes. So, in spite of these disadvantages, the online conference provides definitely an unparalleled networking opportunity for meeting international members. Okay.
I think every experience comes with some advantages and its disadvantages. So I think it's a balanced process here.
Yes.
So do you think that you will be, telling your friends or colleagues about the conference and referring them Eurasia Research?
Yes, I'd like to recommend my colleagues of my universities and the person who worked at the other universities online international conference like Eurasia Research, yes, and the online Zoom conference has the merit, as I mentioned before. Yes.
And we hope, Hideto, that you had a good experience at the conference and it was beneficial for you, and we really hope that you had, you covered all the points that you were hoping to cover while attending a conference. So we really hope that you had a good experience.
Yes, I think the participating in the conference is a very good experience for me.
Thank
because
you.
I shared my idea with other persons who don't have the same idea.
Yes.
Like, okay?
Yeah.
Exchanging the other persons is very important, indispensable opportunity for me.
Oh, thank you, Hideto. Thank you so much for taking out time for this session and for joining Eurasia Research for the conference and for this chat session as well. It was a pleasure having you there at the conference and having you here today for this session. And we really look forward to meet you physically once the virus is less and
Yes.
the risk is less and we can meet face to face. And we really hope to see you at our future conferences as well.
Yes, I think so. Yes, I'd like to see you in the future, in the near future. Okay.
Thank you so much, Hideto. Thank you for joining with us.
Thank you so much.